Hello everyone, this is Dexter Missouri Alpha here from a video. Today I received a very small package, excuse me, and I'll be thinking, well, what's in this little package? Well, you probably know anyways because it's on the title. I mean the thumbnail of the video, probably, and also the title as well. And I found this on Facebook Marketplace, and originally, this was a local pickup. I need to clear my throat a little. Excuse me again. And this was something I've actually been on the hunt for some time now, but yet to find it. But I know someone on YouTube who owns this exact car. Well, I already said what it was, but well, what type of train it was. And my mom asked the guy if he wanted to ship it and how much it would be for shipping. Then, her a couple days later, not a couple days later, but like in the morning or whatever. And but yeah, he got sent out to us, and we had the package. Alright, now I gotta find a spot to open this. I don't know where to start exactly. So I'm just gonna start openings somewhere. Let's see if I can get inside of it. Oh, maybe I should open from the side. Oh, it's a tape. Like I said, I didn't even know how to open this. Oh, wait. There we go. Ooh, that's nice. Little side opening. I like that. And I'm about to reveal it. And here it is. Yup, the Whittle Shortline 911 boxcar. And literally in the description, I'll bring up the picture here in a second. It said these were used to raise money for 9/11. And so here's the number, WSRR 091101. So this side says God Bless America with a flag, and it says this side United we stand with a different flag. Yeah, this thing is brand new. It has the World Toy Co. on the bottom. Now, I will be opening this, but for sure we'll keep the wrap. So, yeah. Let me do that real quick. Now, I'm not going to open this wrap fully. I'm just going to have where there's still some left. Still in here. Crap, I done messed up. Well. There we go. And here it is. Very hard to find boxcar indeed. And it's very nice too. We got some striping on the bottom, but though when I seen the listing, I was saying to myself, you know what they should have done? They should have added red, white, and blue striping. That would have made more sense, but they didn't do that. Little detail that Whittle should have done to the car. So here's the car again. Very nice car indeed. So some of y'all are probably going to be in the comments saying, why'd you take it out of the packaging? And whatever, you guys might get mad at me for doing that, but I mean, this is something I do want to, like, use and play with. And not, like, keep in the box. Oh, the wrap over there. So, yeah. If you guys enjoy this special unboxing video. No, there's no special. It's just, I should know it's this. I guess it could be the 1K special. I guess, I don't know, but yeah. If you guys enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, or just do whatever. And see you guys in the next video. In which the next video is going to be another wooden train video unboxing. So, see you guys in that video. Goodbye.